Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to consider Biology Paper 2 exam preparation, where our focus is going to be under essay writing. And we're going to use this as a section in Biology Paper 2 to prepare adequately for an exam, where we're going to be given 5 questions and we're supposed to answer 3 questions, and each question is going to have an equivalence of 12 marks. Under our discussion meant for today, we're going to talk about excretion and homeostasis. When we talk about excretion, we're trying to talk about the removal of toxic substances from the body, which, when allowed to accumulate for a longer period of time, may become poisonous. And when we talk about homeostasis, homeo means an environment. Stasis means constant. So when we talk about homeostasis, we're trying to talk about the maintenance of a constant internal environment. So considering the questions currently at hand, on A, it says define the term homeostasis. When there are 2 marks allocated on the essay part for Biology Paper 2, and being a student trying to get a distinction, we're going to understand that we are just going to bring out the specific words that are going to be biological. So when we talk about homeostasis, the key words are constant, internal, and then an environment. So when we talk about homeostasis, we'll be talking about the maintenance of blood sugar, which is called glucose levels in the body. We can also talk about the maintenance of temperature and also the maintenance of the levels of water. So on A, here we are going to indicate, suppose this is the answer booklet for the exam. We're now going to say homeostasis is the maintenance of a constant internal environment. Homeostasis is the maintenance of a constant internal environment, and usually the word environment refers to the body, where we can talk about temperature levels and water levels, as well as blood sugar levels in the body. Then for B, it says state N3 excretory products. Remember, I said excretion is the removal of toxic waste products of metabolism. When we say excretory products, we are trying to talk about waste products that are going to be excreted by excretory organs. Excretory organs can include the lungs, the liver, the skin, etc. And when we talk about excretory products, we're going to talk about carbon dioxide, we're going to talk about urea, we're also going to talk about excess salts as well as excess water. So state N3 excretory products. Excretory products are substances that the body is going to excrete or remove, being for the reason that they are already used, or their use in the body has happened. So in this case, the question clearly says state, so we are only supposed to give the answers directly without having to explain. So on B, here we're going to say Roman number 1, we can say excess water. Then we can talk about urea. Then here we can say excess salts. So excess water, urea, excess salts. C, describe how the excretory products stated in B are excreted. This has something to do with considering the answers we've just recently given in B. Now that those were the products, how then are they removed from the body? So that has something to do with us realizing that we'll be talking about excretory organs. So when we talk about excess water, urea, excess salts, and maybe some others, we're going to find that the excess water, urea, excess salts, these can be able to be removed, that is by the kidney. So in this case, for C, we're going to say excess water, urea, and excess salts are collected by the kidney and deposited into the bladder for urine formation. So you can say excess water, urea, and excess salts, those are the three correct components that are going to form urine. So excess salts, excess water, as well as urea are going to be collected by the kidney, which is then going to deposit it into the urinary bladder. A bonus point is carbon dioxide is excreted by the lungs during that is gaseous exchange.